Hi everyone, Alex here, and finally, yes, we're here. We're on the last detailed series about the Stanford courses that I have been enrolled to, and that's my top one course, Tech 68. And how does it called? For sorry, I forgot. Machine learning for business with Python. Yes, finally, we got it. We got the my top one course here, and I will tell you why this the top one. And firstly, what we should start on, we should remember the previous video. If you didn't see that, please look at that. We have a time, why not? I think that would be interesting to you also. So that course that have been taken on the Saturday and Sunday, and that have been a long format time. So it was from 10 a.m. for 4 p.m. and as usual, I don't remember the exact times. Maybe I will. Yeah. So no, it was from 10 a.m. for 4 p.m. approximately. It also wasn't recorded. It wasn't online. It was fully on site, and it was like 2 days in a row, and that was really amazing. Firstly, the tutor, like the professor, is Charlie, and I don't remember his nationality. I'm speaking, I also think that he's Italian, but I don't remember. I'm speaking, I don't remember. I remember that Ranjan was from England, as if I'm not mistaken, but Charlie, I don't remember from which city. I know that he is located in New York, so maybe he'll have some lecturings here at the New York. But at that time, he was in California, in the Bay Area, in Stanford, and he had some class. Yeah, so I was turned off HomePod. Yes. So, why did I like this course the most? Firstly, they're completely what I have been coming to. So you should really read the headline of the course. That's the most that you should really do. On the course, like on that headline, you have Python. That's nearly everything that you should know. You will be writing the code with Python, and for that course, you should have like you should have the knowledge about the Python. How does it working on? And the professor, he is also, as I remember, he's working or worked in the Google Brain, so knows a lot of things. As I remember, he is working right now in New York's uh, New New Year's journal, something like that. I could make here a cool animation, but sorry, not for now. I think in some months there will be more editing stuff, and that'd be more funny. Yes. So, but before that, uh, let's continue about our stuff. He will tell you about how to write the code, and most of the people who have come there was programmers, and there was a cool programmers who like you can create your personal artificial intelligence from the scratch to the top. He'll say some production things. He'll tell you when you should use which functions, and here you can combine really greatly all these four courses because at this one, you can understand how to write your code. On one with no code, you can understand better all the methods, all the functions, all the logic things. And on the first one that I have been talking about, 152H, you can take the deeper understanding about the neural languaging, and you can create, for example, voice recognition, because on others, there was no such detailed information how to make, for example, voice recognition. But on those, you can add on the final that I have been taking the last video about 114. You can really implement that to your project and make that properly. So that's why the combination of all, they're really great. I will take it talking about that on the next video. But about this one, that was really great about the programmers who really want to know how to work how to work with all the functions, how does the Python functions works, especially in the AI sphere. And there was also the same time spotting for, but as I remember, we didn't have short breaks. We have only the big break, and on that big break we have been going to the one cafe with him, and we have been talking all together, so it was like a small community. And on the end of each days we had a meeting, like staying after the course, but sadly I wasn't there because of uh, some timing slots. Sadly, I couldn't go there, but as I remember, it was really great. The people have been for a long time, much longer than in the previous two, like on the previous that have been on the Thursdays, 152 and 78. Yes, so on that there was like maximum 2 or 3 hours, but on this one they have been like talking about the till the evening. So for nearly all day, that was a Stanford day, Stanford first day. Yeah, so this one was really amazing. And what I was talking with a lot of students there, and most of them are Charlie students that have been taken from different courses, because he don't have only this one. He have also, as I remember, he found text 16 large language models for business with Python. He has also taken that, and mostly of his courses would be online because it's in New York, that's why. And I really recommend you to go to these courses, because what you can understand that he has really great impact to students, and he can tell the right words so it you will remind the things. And once more time, that's about the writing exactly the code, and you will know more things about which services for taking the data sets the people are having, because I haven't been heard about Hugging Face or something like that. And I have discovered that in a Charlie's course about how to export your model right, and where you should use your artificial intelligence, some more variants that I have been known for. And that was really interesting to have. And there was some rules about how to write your AI course, like AI projects, so that would be the most impactful for your project. Like a lot of tips. So I really recommend you to go there, but only if you're a programmer, like 100%. Also, you will be using Slack. That's really comfortable, and there would be nearly in all of that courses there have been like mentors that help to answer comments, that help to communicate with your professor, and also you can speak with all these professors one to one, and I think that will really help you to understand the information better. Yeah. So that's all. That's all about this 4 courses detailedly. I will make the next video about. I will gather all the information, try to make it compact as I can. Hope that I will make that. Yes, and that's all for today. See you on the next videos.